Hello friends, welcome to Simple Technical Solutions. Today I'm going to show you how to repair your disk showing you need to format disk before you can use it. So let's get started. So first let's look carefully which disk is causing the problem. So in our case, local disk E is showing the problem. So let's open command prompt in administrator mode. So after opening command prompt in administrator mode, you will have to type chkdsk space, then you have to type the name of your drive. My drive E is causing the problem, so I'm writing here E. Then give a colon and then again press space, then give /f and then click enter. So this will take very little bit of time, and after that you can see that your drive E is fixed completely. Let's wait for some time. So the process is done almost. So here I can see now my drive E is fixed and all the files are now just like before. If you want to open any folder, you can just double click and open it as usual. So that was all for today. Hope you liked this video and learned something new. Thanks for watching.